For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Since its moderately unassuming starting points in 2015, the Vechain network for the most part has advanced and is rapidly drawing in worldwide consideration. At present, in excess of 30 organizations inside the Fortune 500 run live arrangements on Vechain, including BMW, Deloitte, PwC, Walmart, LVMH, and Renault. This Vechain cost forecast guide will for the most part update you on all that you want to be aware of Vechain. Continue to peruse to figure out what Vechain is, from its highlights to specialized investigation, authentic information, value forecasts, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. What is Vechain, VT? Vechain, VT, is a self-created blockchain stage work to help production network the board and smooth out business processes. The stage was established in 2015 by Sunny Liu, a previous CIO of Louis Vuitton China. In its initial days, the VET token worked exclusively as a component of the Ethereum blockchain. The organizers, be that as it may, had a few loftier objectives as a top priority. In 2018, Vechain completely rebranded itself and changed onto its own public blockchain, Vechain Thor, switching its VEN tokens over completely to VET as well as adding the Vechain gas token VDHO, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It in a real sense has since developed into an endeavor-centered, multi-coin IOT and store network the executive's environment and has effectively settled a significant client base in an unpretentious manner. With the assistance of circulated record innovation, DLT, the stage can sort out and smooth out data stream for complex stockpile chains incredibly. It utilizes two essential tokens, Vechain Thor Energy, a shrewd agreement layer, and Vechain Token, or VET, for conveying esteem across the framework. As indicated by Vechain's certainly white paper, the two-token framework was organized to have a dependable model for in every way that really matters, decentralized application designers and guarantee viable administration. The Vechain white paper frames the stage's primary point, which essentially is to make information straightforward and significant. It additionally expects to be an IOT, Internet of Things, middle person and at the front of introductory coin contributions made utilizing Vechain. By consolidating DLT with IOT viewpoints, the Vechain network is satisfying its objective of causing disturbances in the inventory network industry in an unpretentious way. Vechain, VT, price. Vechain generally is at present worth $0.025737. VET has moved -2.84% as of now with an exchanging volume of $79,625,369. Vechain is right now positioned 32 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,853,309,801. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving truly normal intermingling difference, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Vechain, VT, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Vechain, VT, price prediction. Our value forecasts are figured out on specialized examination as it were. We utilize a few specialized pointers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our gauges utilize continuous Vechain, VT, market information, permitting us to refresh our site with dynamic cost forecasts. Vechain, VT, price prediction 2022. Vechain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. VT. The VET cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.038592. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.036019 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. VET explicitly is supposed to have a base worth of $0.030873. Vechain, VET, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Vechain VET cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we for the most part guess that the cost of VET will before long outperform $0.064320. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the VET's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers in an unpretentious manner. Taking into account the market unpredictability, VET will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.051456 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.056601. Vechain, VET, Price Prediction 2024, or so they thought. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.090048 and VET might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not by and large be met. VET is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.082329 and a low of $0.077184 in 2024. Vechain, VET, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming that Vechain effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the VET coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, VET will be green in 2025. The VET explicitly is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will generally be valued at $0.115776, with a very least cost of $0.102912 and a typical cost of $0.108057. Vechain, VET, Price Prediction 2026. Amazingly, after some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the VET cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.133785 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.128639 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, VET has a most extreme value worth of $0.141503. Vechain, VET, Price Prediction 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.159513. On the off chance that VET figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.167231. Neglecting to assemble the help VET needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0.